Okay, the first thing we got to do is take the wheel off. And I'm going to use a socket, which mine are a 7/8. Okay, with the tire off, you turn the wheel face to the side that you're working on. This is the passenger side, so you turn it to the right side. Tool needed is a 14 millimeter. Remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. And the caliper comes straight off when you remove the bolts. Now, as you see, there's a metal plate right here. Goes on the back of your pad. Make sure you put that back on there. What it does is the caliper pushes on this to push on the brake, so make sure you install this. Okay, I went with Wagner from O'Reilly's. These was about $75. This is the best. They're ceramic brakes, lifetime warranty. Brake grease no longer comes, so make sure you get you 2 packs of brake grease. But it do come with new hardware. The clips right here, and then your brakes. So the first thing that I do after I do this, I'll give me some brake cleaner, which I sprayed on my rotor. I clean my rotor. I spray the caliper. You know, just try to remove any brake dust or any debris or anything that's, you know, up on it. Then after I do that, I take the pins. As you see the little rubber part, bend that back. And this is what I use that on. So I take these out, put some brake grease on there, because if you look at it, when you hit your brake, your caliper slides back and forth. So you got to make sure that you have these greased. Well, let me get to doing that. I got it all cleaned up. Brake spray. As you can see, the new grease is in the pin. Now it's time to push the caliper back. So only thing you do is grab your old brake pad, place it in there. This is a brake tool that I have. I think I got this from Auto Advance for maybe $12, something like that. You rest the back plate on the back of the caliper, and then you just basically screw it out onto the back of the old brake pad, and what it's going to do is compress, push the caliper back in for you to be able to place it back once you put the new brake pads in. And as you can see, as I twist it, you can see the silver is not starting to show. That is your brake caliper. What it does is it's pushing the fluid back into the reservoir for you to have that extra space to put the new the new brake pads on. And that's it for that. So now I'm about to install the hardware, which that ain't nothing to do. As you see those grooves, only thing, then you see these grooves on both sides, you just stick them on there. Like that. And then you push them down. Okay, now I'm putting it back together. And as you see, as I'm trying to tighten up the bolt, you see that spin? Only thing you need is 11/16 to hold it while you tighten it back up.